Hello YouTube and subscribers. We are going to show you a very profitable Forex system. You're here looking for a way to trade Forex successfully. You maybe have years of experience, you may have just a few days or a few weeks, and you're looking for a system that can consistently make you money over years of time. This system, I can tell you, will make you 25 all the way up to 70% per year, all the way up to 100% per year actually. On average it does about 50 to 70% per year. That may not be enough for some of you. A lot of people have a misconception of big profits, fast profits in the Forex, and that is just not true. And the reason why I say that is because if you have traded the Forex like me for 9 years, you understand that making quick money in the Forex is almost impossible. High reward goes with high risk, or big risk, big reward, and most of the time low risk, low reward is usually what happens. What I've found here is a low risk, medium reward, and I'm going to be just about to start selling this robot, and it's been in development for 6 months. I'm only selecting a few people, probably about 10 people, to sell the robot to. I have not decided on a price yet, and I hope to decide that soon. But I would like to hear your input and see what you feel like this system or this information is worth to you. Maybe I can negotiate the price to fit your needs. If you're looking for something that's free, you're not going to find a really good system or a robot that's free. It's just not really going to exist. And if you do, then you're lucky, I would gather. I also will included with the robot will be a manual trading system, I will train you with that. I'll train you how to trade manually as well, and to control those emotions. That is if you want to. If you want just the robot, then you just load it on a chart and let it be, and it will make money for you automatically. So don't fall for those tricks that you see on if you search Forex trading or Forex profits in Google. They're going to lead you in the wrong direction, and you're going to waste a lot of money. With this system, you won't. It's been back tested for 7 years, I mean, let's talk a little bit about how the system trades and how it works. Alright, so the system looks for bottoms and tops in the market, and as you can see here, the system put in a buy because it thought that the market was going to reverse right here and go back up. Well, that didn't happen. So it looked for the next reversal point, and that didn't happen. Next one. Eventually on the bottom right here, it did end up going and reversing. So these 3 orders down here, these 3 buys, ended up taking profit, while this one at the top had a small loss. So the profit from these outweighed the loss of this one, and we came out with a profit. The same thing goes for, let's find another easy spot to understand. Same right here. We have our 3 sells. The red ones are sells. Didn't reverse, so it kept putting in sells near the peak of the market, or when it thought it was going to reverse. And then it hit the peak up here with these 3 sells, and then all the trades closed for a profit right here. But remember, these ones here were not profit. These were actually losses, and so was this one here. Those were losses, but the profit from these ones overwhelmed the losses, and we came out with a small profit. You may be thinking that this could be a system that's easily based on a CCI or a stochastic indicator or combination, trying to find when the market's going to be oversold or overbought. It's not that simple. The system's a lot more complex than that, and thought out as well, because it needs to work over 7 years of time. It trades exclusively on the euro pound, you'll make money with it, and you'll continue. It's likely that you will continue making money with it because it has lasted 7 years. And again, you should expect 50 to around 70% per year, and you can use it with pretty much any broker. That includes U.S. brokers. You may have to open up 2 separate accounts at the same broker because this system does buy and sell on the same pair. So if you live in the U.S. and you want to use a U.S. ground broker, you will need to open up 2 accounts and run buys on one end and sells on the other. Buys on one account and sells on the other account. That's how you do it. It's not too complex. It's pretty easy, and I can show you how to do that. If you're new to the Forex, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'd be happy to answer those. Send me a message through YouTube, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. And also, if you're interested in the system, let's talk about a price for you that fits, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.